What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, it's me Kushi and welcome back to my channel. So as you read by this title, in this video I'll be sharing with you guys haul and review of Street Style Store. And if you guys don't know what is Street Style Store, so it is basically an online shopping website for women. And I would also like to say that this is not going to be a huge haul because this is the first time I'm experiencing with Street Style Store. So I didn't bought lots of stuff and I was in need of some trendy footwear, so I thought this is the perfect time to buy from them and review it for you guys. So here is the package that I got from Street Style Store. So here in this box we have footwear and in this package we have a top. And yes, I also bought a top because I wanted to experience their clothes section too. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so first talking about the shipping, I thought it would take a month because I saw some reviews and they were like, it will take a month and sometimes you will end up not receiving the product. So they suggested to not do online payment. That's why I did cash on delivery and I recommend you guys to do the same. Please don't do online payment. It took me 11 to 14 days to receive these products and I was kind of shocked that I received it earlier. So they have the sale going on almost every time where you can get 3 flats for rupees 399, which is kind of affordable. So I bought 3 footwears and they also have sale going on in their dress section too, but I only bought 1 top from them. Okay, so the first pair of footwear I'm going to show you guys is this one. So this is called Sophie Black Flat and this is how it looks. I hope you guys can see. And to be honest, the sole is not that bad as much as I expected. So it's pretty good and comfortable. And let me say that my feet are kind of raw. Like कुछ भी पहनो ना मुझ पे अजीब दिखता है. And honestly, I don't know how I feel about this. Like whether it suits me or not. I'll place the picture or video in the screen so you guys can tell me if that suits me. And thank God I have sized up because I already told you guys that I saw some of the reviews and they said that this elastic might be little tight. So they recommended to size up. And that's what I did, but अब भी थोड़ा tight है, like I have to use my hand to insert my foot inside of this. So I'll place the picture here which was shown in the website and I honestly don't see any different except this edge. Like the front is more squarey in the picture if I'm not wrong, and I honestly don't mind it. The ruffle detailing is also same as shown in the picture and it is also quite stretchy, but as I already told, you will have to use your hand to insert your foot properly, but otherwise this looks super trendy when you wear it. And I don't think this will last you for more than 4 to 6 months. This makes weird noise while walking. Let me show you guys. So that was it, but once again I don't really mind it. I just wanted to inform you guys that.
We'd be walking in the moonlight, staying up till sunrise. Baby, you can let your walls come down.
Okay, so moving on to the next footwear, it's quite similar to the first one as you guys can tell. And for this, I honestly thought that the color would differ, but it didn't. It is as same as shown in the pic. And this is called Beautiful Sunshine Pale Yellow Flat. The one thing that I don't like about the first and this pair of footwear is that this strap will only cover आपका आगे का feet and पीछे का यूं ही रह जाएगा. So it might be uncomfortable while walking.
I wish I could fall in love with you another day. I'm missing a cup.
Okay, now moving on to the last footwear we have is this white scrunchy detail flats, and this also looks as same as shown in the picture except this strap. It's little broader than shown in the pic, but it's completely fine for me because this has 2 straps. I feel like this is the most comfortable pair of footwear from the others. This has the cheetah print going on here, so I really like this one. Guys, so that was it for footwear and I guess it's a pretty good deal to get each footwear for 333 and it also cost me extra 16 rupees for GST. So you will get each pair of footwear for 350. Okay guys, so now let's move on to the last product, which is this top. So this is the top and it is called balloon sleeve smoking top in the color rosy brown, and again it's quite similar to the picture except this extra detailing in the top and the bottom, but again and again I don't really mind it. So this cost me for rupees 599, which I feel like is okay. So they also have the tag SSS and I am in the size M. So the material of this top also seems pretty good and the balloon sleeves is also pretty big. So this has perfect fit on me and I really like it. Okay guys, so it is little loose from here, so I have to do something about this, but this looks super beautiful. I am really loving this top and this top is going to be my favorite from this entire haul.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me?
So that is it for today's haul, you guys. This didn't include a lot of stuff, but I really hope you guys enjoyed and found this video very helpful. And also comment down below if you guys want me to try any other websites, and I'll surely look forward to it. And yeah, that is it. Bye bye. Let me meet you in my next one.